This is Liam. He's a happy, playful boy who loves adventures. Every morning, he waves goodbye to Grandma before heading off to school. Grandma always waits at the door with a smile and a warm cup of tea, just like every day. But Liam was in such a hurry to meet his friends, he didn't even look back at Grandma today. At school, Liam was too busy playing and showing off his new toy to think about Grandma. Back at home, Grandma quietly tidied up Liam's room. She did it with love, even if he never said thank you. On the way home, Liam saw an old man struggling with heavy groceries. But he just kept walking. Grandma waited patiently on the porch, knitting and keeping Liam's favorite cookies ready. When Liam got home, he didn't stop to greet Grandma. He grabbed a cookie and ran to his room. Later, Grandma realized her glasses were missing. She searched the living room, couch, and kitchen. She called Liam for help, but he was too busy with his video game to answer. Even though her knees hurt, Grandma slowly searched the garden, hoping she'd left them outside. At dinner, Liam rushed through his meal, barely saying a word. Grandma looked quiet and tired. That night, Grandma sat in her chair, rubbing her eyes and wishing she could find her glasses. Liam couldn't sleep. Something didn't feel right. He remembered Grandma's sad eyes at dinner. He had a strange dream. Grandma was calling out in the rain, but no one helped her, not even him. The next morning, Liam woke up feeling different. He remembered his dream and felt a tug in his heart. He tiptoed into the living room and saw Grandma still looking for her glasses. This time, Liam didn't wait. He started looking everywhere for Grandma's glasses. Then, aha, there they were, stuck between his toys. Liam gasped. Had he taken them by mistake? He ran to Grandma and handed her the glasses. Her face lit up like sunshine. Grandma hugged him tight. "Thank you, sweetheart," she whispered. Liam smiled back. From that day, Liam started helping Grandma. Folding clothes, setting the table, he did it all happily. They took walks together, shared stories, and laughed like best friends. Liam even made a card just to say thank you. Grandma's eyes sparkled behind her glasses. Now, Liam knows that love isn't just in hugs and cookies, it's in respect, kindness, and being there when it matters most.